Hello everyone, today I will show you how to copy and paste text from a PDF file to Excel sheet using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on the Home option and here you will find the Select Text option. Click here. Now drag your mouse cursor and select your text you want to copy. Now click right button for your mouse cursor and here you will find this Copy option and go your Excel sheet. Select any cell and paste it and see this. In this way also you can copy all of these texts. Press Ctrl A from your keyboard and select whole text. Now press Ctrl C from your keyboard and copy. Now paste all of these texts and see this. In this way we can copy and paste text from PDF to Excel sheet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.